In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect supabase to n8n quickly and easily in 2025. First, let's dive right in by heading over to n8n's official website. This is where you'll find an array of tools and resources that help automate your workflow. It's truly an essential platform if you're looking to streamline your processes with efficiency and ease. Once you're on the n8n homepage, you'll need to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, it's straightforward to create one. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be all set to continue. After you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the n8n dashboard. Now, this is the central hub where all your workflows are managed. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to create, edit, and manage your automation tasks effortlessly. So, let's make our way through these straightforward steps. The next action is to create a new workflow. You'll find the Create Workflow button on your dashboard. By clicking this, you're opening up a realm of possibilities to design your automation project. This is the starting point where your creative process kicks off, enabling you to bring together various nodes and functions for your desired outcomes. Speaking of nodes, our next step involves adding them to your workflow. Nodes are essentially the building blocks of your automation, each representing a specific task or operation. To start customizing your workflow, look for the Add Nodes option. This will allow you to incorporate different elements that connect your systems and services seamlessly. In the node selection area, we're going to search for supabase. Since that's the service we aim to connect today, supabase is an open-source Firebase alternative, providing you with a wealth of features like real-time capabilities, RESTful APIs, and much more. It's an excellent resource for building and connecting databases efficiently. So, type supabase into the search bar, and you should see it appear in the list. Once you spot supabase, go ahead and click on it. This action begins the integration process, where you can configure the node settings to match your specific requirements. Supabase's functionalities within n8n allow you to manipulate data, listening for changes in your database, and automate responses with ease. It's a powerful way to ensure your data management is top-notch and running smoothly. To wrap it up, by following these steps, you've now successfully connected supabase to n8n. This integration opens up opportunities for enhanced productivity and streamlined management across your projects. Automating with n8n and supabase not only reduces manual errors, but also ensures your workflow is dynamic and adaptable to future needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you begin to explore the dynamic duo of n8n and supabase in your projects. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for support.